Welcome to the Wolcott project. My name is Alex Curry. Hopefully you can hear the birds in the background. It's another Sunday Nature Appreciation Day. Would have done it earlier, but nature was a little 404, really foggy. And then here's my new rose bush. This thing used to be 40 feet across. I mean, just huge. In a church named Freedom Church out of Round Rock, Texas. And conversion, construction. No, it's conversion, remodeling. Helped me greatly. They fixed my house up. They're the ones that took out the bush. You know, I helped haul a little bit, and I still think about that to this day. You can see a whole bunch of weeds. I don't know what weeds do for nature, but I'm sure they do something. I've been battling these for a month or so. Well, not a month, probably a week and a half, 2 weeks. Seems like forever. It seems like cut them down, they go right back. And I really don't want to use poison, but I might just have to. What else could we look at? I mean, I wonder if you can, I won't know till I play it, and this might not, my device might not play the sound, but when I put it on the internet, it might play it. Man, do you hear that road? I remember when you couldn't hear anything, even on the clearest day, you couldn't hear anything. Now with all this lovely construction all throughout the country, more people, more problems. I'm probably going to start something on my Anchor account, which, if you don't know, is Wolcott-Project. Look at that. So it's going to be something it's farmland. It's grass because the guy takes care of it. Which is most likely going to be a continuation of my no construction page. I'm really liking this Anchor because I don't have to worry about am I centered, what have you. I wonder how that came to be. This used to be an orchard, then we had a really bad drought. And well, I killed some fruit plants, let me tell you. Let's go look at the other side of the pear tree. Whoa! There's its close-up. Yeah, it'll be a continuation of my no construction page where I complain and moan about all these newcomers. Alright, and then here's the tree that I had to cut down as a danger to power line. Most of that wood is no good. Look at that, man. That thing's huge. And just for size comparison, I would say I have average hands. I would like to be able to turn that the whole trunk into something, but I don't know. And there's probably still some good pieces up in here.